Hi mga ka-Fin, so we're currently here at Mr. Fish dito sa Malta. So tara, pakita natin kung ano meron sa loob. Wow,
Still ready. Some of them has written down
Oh.
offer.
dami guys, grabe. Simulan natin dito. Mention naman ganitong reels. Yan yung mga prices. 32 euros. Hindi ako magaling sa conversion eh. But roughly mga nasa 2,000 plus.
These are a bit more difficult to find.
Yeah. Jigs.
You can take that.
Yan sila mga maday.
Oh,
That, yeah. We cannot remove that.
no,
Yeah.
this one no.
Take it.
Yeah. Not like this, but the offer for this.
Oops. Lots of lures.
Over here, they're not
Mm.
that strict. Yeah?
Savage
Because
gear.
before I went on the plane with folks.
Rapala.
and those, yes, and they would tell me nothing.
And you don't have fishing license.
No. And that's very bad, huh? Unfortunately. Because everyone is catching everything.
Right.
You know, with the small ones and everything, they don't.
Yeah. In the Philippines, we also do not require fishing license. Also on Guam. No license.
That's why our place gets overfished.
Yeah.
Because we do not have fishing license.
Just be here then to see how bad fish is here. Because over here we don't have reefs. Over here it is all rocky around the coast. And then when you go like 50, 100 meters out, it's all sand.
Mm.
So basically it's just a rock in the middle of the sand. And it's easier to be fished. Because when you have reefs everywhere, you cannot touch everywhere.
Yeah.
But like this, only the reef is around the coast. Nets everywhere. And the worst
Napakarami dito guys.
What kind
So
of
kung
fish do you-
bibisita kayo ng Europe, especially dito sa Malta,
What kind of fish do you usually catch?
punta kayo dito
Over
kay
here we
Mr.
catch,
Fish.
Not in the harbor, it's what's the fish around the coast.
Ganda
We
naman
have
nila,
tenpers,
jigs.
rednecks,
Dami.
croakers.
Oh, really?
Yes, we have mahi, swordfish, bonitos, barracuda, sea bass.
Do we have bonitos in the Philippines?
Bonito. We have.
In fact, it's Atlantic bonito. We
Squid
have,
jigs, ang
sea
dami,
bass
guys.
and brim. Yeah, basically we have a lot of variety. Just with and low
Mga
amounts.
pang ano nila, pahila.
Philippines, this one
Mga
is
pang mahi.
just like,
The best. Current.
yeah. And this will cost you like just €1. I don't know.
Right?
Yeah.
These over here they're expensive.
But the quality is really good.
Yes, they have good quality. Yosuri, you know Yosuri?
Yeah. That's manufactured in our country.
In our country, Yuzuri. Yes.
Yosuri for me is one of the best on lures that exist.
I think brand, right? But manufactured in
They are manufactured in the Philippines, but it is a Japanese brand.
They're very nice and everything. They have squid lures, spinning lures, boat lures. They have feathers. I like them.
very effective.
Very effective, yes.
And the quality of the material is good actually.
Uh-huh.
Yosuri. Because sometimes you buy expensive lures and
Dami nilang rods.
Yes.
Meron sila mga major craft. So yan na. Solfara. Ano ba po sila dito? Yun ang price nila. Para sa Sienna na 10 feet. Ito naman ay
Silicone.
Sienna din na 10 feet na extra heavy.
Yeah, det sa mig.
Ito naman ay, ito yung parang local brand nila dito. Jatsui. Yan, ang presyo. Offshore jigging. Dami guys. Ito naman tayo sa kabila. Ito meron sa Shimano. Shimano Katana. Katana. Magkano yung katana nila? Ayan. 75.95. Savage Gear. Ayan, Savage Gear guys. Ang ganito. Ayan. Savage Gear. Taka Fuji. Ayan, Fuji guys. Same pricing. Ayan. Grabe. Kaya talaga medyo matataas ang price na dito. Pero maganda. Ito, for example, to Daiwa Crossfire. Daiwa. Kanong price? Tingnan sa loob. Mga nakaipit. Wala siyang price. Ito naman ay Mustad. Mustad na ultralight rod. Yan. Ganda. Kano to? Yan. This one is 150 euros. Ganda. Ultralight rod. Parang 8 feet siya. Ganda, ganda. Solid. Ito, mga Daiwa. This one is Daiwa Laguna. Mga siya ultralight. Ultralight to. Price naman niya ay 65 euros. Ganda. Solid. Ang sila mga telescopic rods. Ay, dami lang fishing poles. Reels. Yeah. Pen. Pen battle. Battle 4. Battle 3. Spin Fisher. Ayun, Spin Fisher. Laki. Napakalaki nito. 10,500 series. Yan. Ano ba ito? 10 squall. 60 LD. Ano nga price nila? Yan. Ano ba ito? Jigging. Tika. Oxian. Shimano. Ano ito? Speros. Yan. Speros SW. BG. Sahara. Socorro. Alivio. Yan. Tapos yung lunang sa Dona.
Nakasale yun. Nakita mo yung pen?
Hindi.
Ayun.
Sige, sige. Mga electric wheels. Laro AMX, FX. Nandito lahat. Saan sila dito mga accessories. Or holder. Yan. Dami. Squid jigs. Dami. Ito ang presyo ng kanilang squid jigs. 5.99. Oh, 6 euros. Oh, 7 euro. Ganda. Assist cords.
Leka lessa ġan n-nis, ċaw ċanti li kartar.
Shimano Kairiki. Isa na mga accessories. And ayun. Leader lines.
Card man.
Nakasale nila. Ano to? Ano to? Pen to? Pen Yellowtail. Pen talaga to? Hindi, nakatusok lang sa rack ng pen. Pero hindi siya pen. Yan.
More?
More. Yan ang brand niya. More. Mga European brands. Yan ang price. Ito may dam reels na sila dito. Ayan, dam.
This one's 420 euro.
Kano?
425.
400. Hook. Nakita ko tong brand na to. Hook brand. Ayan, ito yung mga pang, ano nila, Big King. Ayan, may Pen Squadron. Pen Squadron. How much yung Pen Squadron nila? Ayan, 67.
150. 150. Pen.
Yan, 150. Ano model to? Pen... Ano to? Conflict. Conflict trolling. Yan, dami guys. Yan. Napakarami. Mas napakalaki ng shop nila. Napakaganda. Yan, sila ako dito. Spooler. Ay, mga hooks. Hooks. Savage Gear. Yan silang Duo. Malosi. Ito mga local brands nila. Yan. Yan sila. Yan, Yozuri.
Okay, I have R.
Yan guys.
What size?
So yun na nga mga ka-fiends. So we will end our tackle shop visit dito sa Mr. Fish. At kung magagawin kayo dito sa Malta, please visit them. Grabe guys. So ang laki ng selection dito. Actually meron pa sila mga spear guns, rattle boxes, yan. Dami. So, malaki hahanapin ko na. Napakaganda.
Yeah, okay.
So yun nga guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. At kita-kits!